Hi, my name is Vitek Goyal and this is Eva Peck,
Hello.
and we are from Kompetek Interaktiv GmbH. We are producers of VR interactive content for training and for digital marketing purposes. We've been set up in Berlin for 1 year, and we're looking forward to working with several companies here. We're currently producing training modules and scenarios for primarily automotive companies, but also various manufacturing companies, and we are currently working on a new prototype for the shipping industry, which is quite exciting. So we have one particular use case, which is called Pixel Spray, which is a virtual car painting tool. And that was being used by several factories actually in Asia, and they trained almost 500 people using this tool. And what we learned from that was that there were many things that came up that we never thought about before. For example, the sense of smell was not visible in the VR space. So when the trainee went to the actual assembly line or the paint shop, they were not getting that sense of smell which was originally in the real place. So these are new things that should come in the next few iterations of the hardware, maybe with some smell and some different types of haptics. So the hardware is moving ahead. So the challenge is really for the hardware to catch up with the ideas and the imagination of all the users. So compared to traditional processes, the good thing about VR is that firstly and most importantly, it's sustainable and it's good for the environment. You don't have wasted byproducts, you don't waste excess carbon and electricity. Secondly, it also is equal learning opportunities for everyone. People can use VR, it's a flat learning field where everyone, without any kind of discrimination or any kind of fear, can learn from any location, remotely or in the workplace, with safety precautions and without having hazardous environments. Also for the companies, it's super efficient and they make up all their money back in their savings in no time. So in a practical use case, if you have a training tool, ideally the company would have a VR headset or as you say auf Deutsch, a virtual reality Brille. So you would have this and you would have this set up in a location in your factory or in your office where your employees can learn. Alternatively, they can also learn from home. We have devices like the Meta Quest 2 and new devices coming in the market. And if there's some new exciting devices coming from Apple, hopefully in the future, then that would be more into people's homes and more accepted. So VR is for anyone. It's for people who want to learn. It's for people who want to promote their business. It's for people who want to help save the environment. Originally VR came from the games industry, but as we can see, it's being used very much more in practical training and in real life scenarios. And it's super important that people make the difference between gaming and real world use cases so that we can separate this and get more value out of the actual use cases. Well, if you're someone who's working in industry and looking to implement VR technologies in your business, you don't need to really know too much about all the new stuff that's going on. You need to know about your business. You need to know what you need, where the challenges are for you, and then it's companies like us that will come in and show you all the different options. And then you can choose which one is best for your company with the least amount of disruption without changing any kind of infrastructure and something that's plug and play with your database backend or any kind of software that you use in your current workplace. We'll do a quick demo of our upcoming shipping demo that we've made in Kompetek, which is a voice-based VR experience for training people how to navigate ships and ocean waterways. I know here in Germany we have several ports as well, and I think this tool will be really useful for people to train. And also from a sustainability point of view, this is a green shipping. We are saving on carbon, we're cutting on carbon by training people how to navigate ports from the comfort of their homes. We also have multiplayer, so people from all over the world can train together without having to travel and take expensive transportation and emit carbon. So here we have our shipping simulation demo that we're showing here at XR Week in Stuttgart. So here you can choose various types of ships, and you can also choose to have a scripted demo or a free roaming one. And you can also choose different weather conditions and also time conditions. So we're going to start now, and now I don't need to use the controllers anymore. So this is the captain speaking. And we can hear the audio through the headset. So this is the part where I take command of the ship now, and I'll use my voice to navigate the ship. Ahead slow. So it recognizes my voice and the ship can start moving. Ahead full. Port 20. Turn stop. Ahead full. Port 10. Ahead full. Ahead slow. All stop. Turn stop. Drop anchor. So yeah, so that was just a quick run through of our shipping demo, which is all voice based, and we're looking forward to finding some partners here who can help scale this to the next level.